Hello everyone, welcome to all. Subject Industrial Engineering, Chapter Inventory Control, Topic Questions based on EOQ model. So students, today we are going to discuss some questions which are based on economic order quantity model. So students, let's start. Read a question. The annual demand for an item is 18,000 parts. So it is nothing but the annual consumption of item is capital D is given is 18,000 parts. Okay friends. The unit cost is rupees 4. So it is a C. The unit cost is rupees 4. And the inventory carrying charges are estimated as 12% per annum. So this information is given of CH in terms of I percent. So CH is nothing but I percent of C. Okay, so easily we are calculate the CH from I percent and I percent in annually. Okay friends. If the cost of one ordering is rupees 120, it is nothing but a C naught. Lead time is 10 days and working days is 300 days per year. And determine first one is EOQ, economic order quantity Q star. Second one is number of order per year is nothing but N. Third one is time between a two consecutive order is T. Fourth one is the optimal cost. It is nothing but total inventory cost corresponding to Q star. And fifth one is a reorder level. So let's start. Return some given data first of all. What is a given data, friends? The capital D annual consumption of item is given is 18,000 units per year, and unit cost is capital C is given rupees 4 per unit. Ordering cost C naught is rupees 120 per order is given, and I percent is given as a 12% per year. So from here we are easily calculate the CH. And what is the CH? I percent of C. What is I percent? I percent is given as a 12% and C is given as 4 rupees per unit. So easily we are calculate the CH 0.12 into 4. So here the CH is nothing but 0.48 rupees per unit per year. Clear to all? This is a given data. Okay students, and lead time is also given. The lead time is 10 days are given, and working days is also given in this question is nothing but 300 days per year. Clear to all? First one, calculate the economic order quantity model is Q star. In the previous session, we was discussed about the Q star, and the formula of Q star is under root of 2D C0 by CH. Here the D is given in question. It is a nothing but 18,000, and C naught is ordering cost per order is 120 rupees per order is given, and CH easily calculate the CH is 0.48. So putting the all the value in this formula and calculate, so Q star is come out to 3,000 units. It is an economic order quantity. Q star is 3,000 unit. In the question, the second one, determine optimum number of order in year. Optimum number of order in year is nothing but N, and we can written as N is D by Q. Or optimum, in the question he asked the optimum number of orders, so here the D by Q star is taken. The D is given in question is 18,000 units per year and Q star is 3,000. So number of order is 6 order per year is your answer. Clear to all? It is optimum number of order our organization plays in a year. Third one, determine the length of one inventory cycle. It is nothing but a time between a two successive order is nothing but 1 by n. 1 divided by 6 is your answer, is year per order. But in this question, the working days is given. The working days is 300 days per year is given. So this terminology is converted into the days. Okay, students. So 1 by 6 into 300 days per order. Here easily we can calculate the 50 days per order is your answer. The 50 days per order is a length of one inventory cycle. It is a length of one inventory cycle. Clear to all? Fourth one, and calculate the optimal cost. It is nothing but total inventory cost corresponding to a Q star. So in the previous session we was discussed about the total inventory cost corresponding to Q star is nothing but under root of 2D C0 CH. Putting a sum value which is given in the question, the 2 into D is given as 18,000 units per year. C naught, what is the C naught, is 120 rupees per order, and CH is 0.48 rupees per unit per year. And calculate this terms. Calculate this term, students. What is the answer? The answer is come as a rupees 1440 is your answer. It is optimal cost and the cost corresponding to the economic order quantity, or a total inventory cost corresponding to the economic order quantity. The fifth one, calculate the reorder level. Okay, students. In the previous session we was discussed about the reorder level is nothing but a lead time into demand. Here the D is a demand in per day or per month. But in our the questions, the capital D is given. Here the capital D is 18,000 per year is given, but this capital D is converted into the units per day. The small d is nothing but 18,000 divided by, and working days given in the question is 300 days per year, so divided by 300. So here easily the small d is 60 units per day. Here small d is 60 units per day. What is the lead time is given in question is 10 days is given a lead time into small d in the unit per day is 60. So what is the reorder level, students? The reorder level is 600 units. Clear to all, students? How to calculate the economic order quantity? Under root 2D C0 by CH. Putting all the value of the D, C0 and CH. How to calculate the optimal number of order to be placed in the year is N is nothing but D by Q, but in the question the optimal is asked, so in the place of the Q star is put. And how to calculate the length of one inventory cycle is nothing but 1 by n, and multiply by the working days is given in the question, so easily the 50 days per order is your answer. The fourth one is optimal cost corresponding to economic order quantity. We know that the formula of the total inventory cost corresponding to economical order quantity is under root 2D C0 by CH, under root 2D C0 CH. Putting all the value in this formula and find out your answer. What is the reorder level? Reorder level is nothing but lead time into demand. Here please take care on the units. Small d is in the units per day, so the capital D is divided by the working days, so easily find the small d in units per day and putting the value, so reorder level is 600 units. Clear to all, students, how to calculate? Thank you so much for watching. To be continued in next topic.